because like many people have seen me many times do something that at my age you shouldn't do. But I fell one day off of a ladder on my knees, and I couldn't. I said, but how come I didn't feel any pain? I fell off the ladder on the floor, which was, this is nice, this ain't concrete. But I didn't feel any pain. I said, no, what? I said, I just fell on my knees and I don't feel any pain. So I fell again. I didn't feel any pain. That's what that sea moss will do. But we made the sea moss and some other herbs in a tablet. I took 3 of them this morning, and I know I'm going to be up all night because it gives you a lot of energy. So please, you purchase that if you can.